everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. We all know that raw banana fritter or raw banana bajji is an easy snack that can be prepared just within 5 minutes, but not everyone know how to prepare in a perfect way. Now I am going to show you how to prepare crispy and fluffy raw banana fritter or bajji without using any rice flour or baking soda. Yes, you heard it right. So watch the video till the end and you can prepare an amazing crispy and fluffy raw banana fritter or bajji. So all you have to take is raw bananas. Here I have taken 2, but you need to cut the ends on both the sides and then peel slightly the outer cover, not deeply as shown here. Now put it aside. Take a bowl and add 1 full cup. See this cup with which I am taking the measurement. So with that 1 full cup, you need to take chickpea flour or besan and add half a tablespoon of chili powder and half a tablespoon of salt or salt according to your taste and a pinch of tasting salt. That's it. Now mix all the dry ingredients well and then take 1 full cup of water and slowly add water. Do not add the entire water at a time, but slowly you need to mix the batter nicely without any lumps formed, and little by little add water and then mix it nicely. So the consistency of this batter is depending upon how your fritter will be. So if the batter is thick, you can't get perfect banana bajjis. So you need to have a pouring consistency of the batter. Once you're done with the batter, take the raw bananas and start slicing like this. Here I have taken a slicer. If you don't have the slicer, you can cut it with the help of your knife also. So this should be this thin. The bananas, raw banana should be thinner like this. I have sliced in longer one. If you want, you can cut it in the middle or you can also cut it in a horizontal direction. So it depends on your taste of how you want to eat it. So see, this is thin slice of raw banana. So for 1 raw banana, you will get 12 to 13 slices of this. So once you're done slicing all the raw banana, take one by one and dip it into the batter. Now dip it into the batter and put it on top of it like this, and so that the excess batter, whatever it is there, that will drop into the bowl. Now after that, you need to place it into the oil. Oil you should put in the pan according to the deep fried, and then you need to heat it perfectly. If the oil is not heated perfectly and you add these bajjis into it, you can't have perfect bajjis, and also the oil will be absorbed by the outer coat of the bajji and you can't have a perfect raw banana fritter. So if your oil is cool enough, or if your oil is not heated perfectly, heat it again and then add once the oil is heated perfectly. And that's it. You can repeat the same process and enjoy this fluffy and crispy raw banana fritters or bajji. Now you can serve this hot, or else you can also serve this with sauce or sliced onions diced with some little punch of lemon and salt and a little bit of chili powder. You can enjoy this raw banana fritter anyway. So please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.